Welcome back everyone. I'll go ahead and show you exactly how to make a private story on your Snapchat account. Now before, Snapchat had like a private story option, but I don't know, I think they took it away because I can't see it anymore. But there is another way of going about doing this. Now this is useful if you're like going to have a party or if you're going to invite people somewhere and you just want to show it to a couple people, not everyone. This is a great way to do it. So what you want to do is you want to open up your Snapchat. First of all, you should add me. You don't have to if you don't want to, but you want to make your way over to your settings panel, which you can just do there by clicking on that top left corner. And once you're here, all you want to do is hit the settings tab right here. You want to click your option right here which says view my story. So you want to go ahead and click that. Now right here, you want to go ahead and set it to custom, and you can have everyone my friends, and if you hit custom, you'll basically be able to block certain people from viewing your story. So you'll pretty much have to go and block everyone you don't want viewing your story. So I don't want Oprah to view my story, I don't want Kim Kardashian, I don't even want Team Snapchat, but everyone else is cool. So then all you have to do is click back, okay? And once you do that, you want to wait till it says succeed, and you want to go back in, you want to verify that the ones you actually had are gone. So once that's all done, you want to hop back, hop out, and you can go ahead and make your story. So I'll go ahead and click this. I'll go ahead and click send to, and I can go ahead and post it on my regular story, and those specific people that I clicked on, so Oprah and whoever else, Team Snapchat, they will not be able to see my story. So it's pretty much in a way a private story, which is super impressive. So here I can just go and click on my story and I can click send. Now in this case I'm probably not going to do it because I just took a random Snapchat and I don't want people to see it. And if you want to go back to everyone being able to see your story, you'll basically have to reverse this process. So what you want to do is once that story is done or you delete the story or whatever, you want to go and hit the settings up here. You want to click on the settings icon. You want to scroll down until you go back to that whatever view my story thing right here. And right here where it says custom, you just want to change it back to whichever one you want, whether everyone or my friends. Now if you're a personal, just a person yourself, I'd recommend clicking your story to my friends because you don't want random people seeing your story. But in this case, I don't really care. Whoever sees my story, I never post on Snapchat anyway, so everyone is perfectly fine for me. So that's pretty much how to do it. That's how to post a private Snapchat on your account. If you have any questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys could hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my main channel. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.